Okay. Stannah. Okay. Oh, he's pressing the G button already.
Level 1.
Okay. Maybe. Yes, we've actually managed to get it to ourselves on the way down. Good. Capacity 38 persons, 300 kgs.
Ground floor.
These lifts are quite busy, as it turns out. Guess that's what happens when you come Sainsbury's on a Sunday. Both go. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, then you can visit my channel and see over 1,000 more videos, or you can subscribe to see my latest videos when they're released. You can also follow me on Instagram, where you can see more exclusive, fresh and original content.